Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, since a few weeks, actually since the beginning of the year, I was trying to figure out kind of my own recipe for a focaccia, one I like, easy recipe just to get one standard. And I came out with this one, yeah? I'm gonna share it with you. I got some warm water here, around 40 degrees actually. It's will get cooled down easily. I got 50 grams of sourdough. Sourdough, sorry. This is just my sourdough. Just as you may know, water and flour. So my sourdough, 50 grams in each one. They are identical. And I'm gonna pour 250 grams of water. I am also adding 3 grams of dry yeast. And 10 grams of salt. So with it, I'm just gonna dissolve the sourdough. Just get it, stir it, and it will get easily become all liquid. Oh, it came out here. Strange. So just like that, and we do the same here. And the idea is to dissolve the water, to mix the dry yeast together with the water and also with the sourdough. Yeah, just as you see, we're done. Yeah, and right now what I need is just to add 38 grams of olive oil extra virgin, 38 grams. So let's start. 20, 37, 38. We're gonna do the same here with the tire function. Yeah, we need 38. $33, 7, and 38. That's it. So that's what we got. 50 gram sourdough, 3 grams dry yeast, 250 grams water, 38 grams of olive oil extra virgin. Just mix all together. You may see here, I don't know if you are able to, but probably not. Just all liquid, and we're gonna just pour 250 grams of flour. I'm using a flour with 14 grams of protein. So, and just mix it. It will be very liquid. Yeah, of course, it's 100% hydration. What you just need to do is just mix it together, and we'll let it rest, and we're gonna fold it just later on a few times. Yeah, we'll do the same here. This got broken actually. Yeah, just until the flour is not mere on the borders here. You mix it, and we're gonna just let it rest around half an hour. And after the half an hour, we're gonna do a fold and rest it 1 hour, half an hour again, and again the same procedure. Let's remove this from here. We don't need this anymore. We just want to get all the flour to our focaccia. So we are so far done until here. I will let it rest, and I will show you once it rests. Yeah, I will just cover it with just a lid. Lid on, cover it half an hour, and I'll see you in half an hour. And I wanted just to show you how it looks like. Look how liquid this is. Yeah, just gonna remove the borders and make it all together, and as I just said, now it's time to rest. I'm gonna proceed the same here. Look, it's also just like that. I want to get all together, all the borders, just like you see here. Yeah, and that's it. Now it's time to rest. Well, we are back here with our last half an hour. It's gone. It looks very nice, had a lot of bubbles. Yeah, we will do our last fold before we place it on the fridge for the next, it will be actually almost 48 hours, yeah? And this is getting perfect. You see, even if it's 100% hydration, we are able to move our dough. Yeah, this is ready. And now our second one, the gluten nets its perfect form. Yeah, you see. Yeah, and now this way. And the only thing we need to do now is a little bit of olive oil on top. Just to the fridge now. Well, it will be 2 nights in the fridge because well, today is Monday and I will bake them on Wednesday, so that you have an idea how long will it be fermented on the fridge. Yeah, I guess you are able to do it in only 1 night on the fridge, but I will do 2 nights because I like the result I had last time. So I hope you like it, and let's see. We have to wait and let's see. We got here 100% hydration focaccia dough. Look at that. Whoa. Now to the fridge, 48 hours, and I'll catch you later. Hi. Well, as promised, this is our focaccia type. Look at this. Wow. 100%. Perfect. And our second one as well. Wow, both looks just perfect. Now let's work here. We're gonna make 2 focaccia. The first one, we'll add a little bit of olive oil at the bottom of our cast iron pan, and look. Just perfect. So with it, start adding some little bit of olive oil extra. So I want to chop some tomatoes. And of course, with the hands, we're gonna just squeeze it, that it had the shape of our cast iron. That's it. Now tomatoes. There's this. Now we're gonna add some oregano from our garden. This is self-dried. I've got some pepper, a little bit of salt, just for our tomatoes. And with it, we're gonna bake it. I got a preheated oven, temperature up and below. I got a 230 degrees. I'm gonna bake it for around 33 to 25 minutes. So let's make it. So now for our second focaccia, we're gonna use this another cast iron, which is the one I have now. Same procedure, a little bit oil at the bottom, and now let's basically pour this. There's the dough, yeah. So wonderful, look. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil with the 2 grams of dough. Perfect. Now, same procedure. I'm gonna open this one with pesto. A little bit of olive oil on top. Some shape it. Yeah. This one I'm gonna use some pesto. Perfect. And we're gonna finish it with some salt on top, a little bit also pepper, and we are ready with our second focaccia. This one we're gonna bake as well, 23 to 25 minutes, depends on your oven, of course, and let's see how it turns out. Well, we baked them the 25-26 minutes, and then we rested around another 20 minutes more, and now we are gonna just try it now. Look, this is focaccia, perfect, crusty, and this one as well, yeah. Well, as you may see, I have finished my 2 focaccias. Very nice result, lovely, crunchy, bubbly, perfect. Just leave you down here the recipe. I hope you like it. You can make it at home. Enjoy it as well, as we will do it right now. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Hit that thumb up button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Cheers. Ciao.